Time for skincare tip. Try and sleep on your back. I know it's very annoying when I say that if you are a side sleeper, because yes, it's very annoying for my husband because he is a side sleeper. I am blessed in that case because I always sleep on my back. I sleep straight. We have seen it all over Instagram and on internet as well. Chiropractors saying that you should not sleep straight, but it is still very controversial. But when it comes to skincare, sleeping on your back is amazing. And the reason that I find this is because when you sleep on the side, you are constantly pressing one side of your face, and there you get those permanent wrinkles. Like this happens with our expression lines as well. When we constantly smile or when we frown, we are in anger, we have those lines on our face, and with those expressions constantly being there on our face, we get those expression lines. The same thing happens when we constantly sleep on one side. I know there are a lot of pillows specially designed for you if you are a side sleeper. You may get your hands on it, but I think sleeping on your back is anyways the best solution to avoid all the wrinkles that you can bring to your skin. Also, sleeping a little elevated also helps because it helps with the water drainage, and you do not get up with a swollen face if you suffer from water retention. So try and sleep a little elevated and try and sleep on your back.